When Jim talked about the sound from the beginning, he would always talk about things in terms of hyperreality. This is this is bigger than life. It's not science fiction sound effects. It's not sounds you don't believe are really happening. It's sounds that seem organic and real, but they're bigger than anything you've heard before. It's sound effects with a lot of testosterone.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.
All the sounds broken into the smallest components possible. Down, the footsteps are by themselves, the crashes are by themselves, the ambience is by itself. The different layers are chosen for being exactly the right sound for that layer. So there's a lot of details that go into making something that you then believe has been recorded on the set.
Hasta la vista, baby. Let's go.
Mixing is just a whole series of funneling little sounds into the final mix. You have hundreds and hundreds of tracks that first get funneled into a premix where you've made some basic choices, and then those premixes go into the final where the music and the sound effects and the dialogue are all balanced against each other.